Guys, and welcome to Kiddos Corral. If you are new to my channel, I am Heidi. I have been trying to make adjustments here in my room to film this here particular video. I'm in limited space right now, but hopefully that'll get remedied soon. I wanted to touch base with you all because I'm going to tell you, I get so many questions about Thanksgiving. And Thanksgiving is such a wonderful time for friends and family. It's a lot of good food, a lot of, gatherings, whether it be in the workplace or whether it be in your home, your particular home, or somebody else's. And I just wanted to share my 5 tips to get through Thanksgiving. These are things that, I have incorporated into my Thanksgiving because my Thanksgiving has definitely changed since my children live a good distance away. So I'm usually not cooking for as many bodies, but nevertheless, I still have done Thanksgiving. I did Thanksgiving early this year for those in my home here. And so I wanted to share with you guys my 5 tips, and so let's get started before I start rambling. First tip is so simple. Do not stray from disposable, because a lot of people think that it is bad etiquette to have disposable plates and napkins. These are the ones that I chose this year. Hopefully there's no glare on them because of where my lighting is set. But if you walk through, let's see, it's got the pretty napkins that go together. If you walk through Walmart, you will see that there are a vast selection, not only in quantity, but quality. Because, whenever you are serving really heavy food, you obviously want to have plates that's going to hold the vast amount of food that you are going to be serving. Walmart honestly has the prettiest selection. You're also going to find things that vary in prices. As we get closer to the holidays, I feel like you can find things more on clearance. And don't be afraid to go with the plain white chinette. Even the silverware has improved, and I think that there is absolutely nothing wrong with going with disposable, because somebody's going to have to wash those pesky dishes at the end of the day, and I don't want to do it. So definitely, and in my house I don't have a dishwasher anymore, so in saying that, get yourself some disposable plates and napkins. Do not be afraid of buying pre-made foods. Walmart is an excellent place to go to if you need to buy pies, cookies, candies. They have a vast amount of things in the frozen section, such as shrimp dishes. They have dips. They have all kinds of things. I love their Amish potato salad. So you really can think outside the box and buy pre-made items, and they are still as delicious as if you had made them and taken the time. And if you want to be sneaky, you can take it and put it in your own bowl, and if you don't say anything, nobody will know the difference. Or third tip, make sure that you make things that you are comfortable making. A lot of times people bite off more than they can chew, and they start making these recipes that they have never made before, and they don't turn out. Yeah, they don't turn out. Never make anything on Thanksgiving Day that you are not comfortable with making. And stick with traditional dishes. Recently, I have made Thanksgiving dinner here. I went completely out of the box. I didn't do a turkey. I did a ham. And I know I shot some footage of that. I did ham. I covered it in pineapple and maraschino cherries. It came with its own brown sugar glaze. It came out delicious. I also made a macaroni and cheese homemade. Very simple recipe. It was delicious. Everybody loved it. I also made an Italian sausage stuffing, and if you all want that recipe, I hope that I can find it again online, but I had made it before and I was lucky enough to come across the recipe. If not, I will type it out down below and it'll be for you guys. But honestly, if you don't want it to be, I used hot Italian sausage, and so if you don't want to do hot Italian sausage, you can do a sweet sausage. And I just cut the Italian sausage out of the casings. Very, very simple to make, and I will tell you, it was delicious. I made some simple broccoli and cheese. I made some butter parsley potatoes. I bought some Mrs. Schubert's rolls, popped those into the oven. I also baked a pumpkin, my pumpkin bars with the cream cheese frosting. I did a video on that. It'll be linked down below in case you all want to check that out. Super, super simple to make. I also made my orange Jello salad. I also recently did a video on that. I will link it down below if you want to catch that. Now that, you just mix it all together and you stick it in the refrigerator and it sits up overnight and you are done. That does not get any more simple than that. In fact, I have some in the refrigerator downstairs and I think I'm going to hit it after this video. But we had a lovely Thanksgiving. It did not have to be complicated. I bought a basically a pre-cooked spiral ham from Costco. I'll show you guys the brand. I did take a little video footage so you guys could see that. Very simple. Very simple. I did spend a little while in the kitchen making all of it, but you know what? Honestly, it was very stress-free, and Thanksgiving should not be for you. My tip number 4. Make your home warm and inviting. I don't know what it is, but if your house smells good, somehow or another, everybody is in a very holiday festive mode. And I just love the candles that Walmart has this year. This one here is warm apple pie. I do suggest using unscented candles if you're going to put them on your table where you're going to be serving the food, but like in your entryway or your bathroom, a nice smelling candle, and this one smells really good, is the way to go. I find that it just kind of puts you in a very cozy mood. For you guys, number 5 is relax and enjoy. Life is complicated enough, and holidays are here and they go fast. So be sure to enjoy it yourself. And in order to enjoy, if you are hosting Thanksgiving, have your friends bring the desserts or the rolls or a salad. Take a little bit of pressure off yourself and give your friends something to bring. Usually they will always ask, can I bring something? And take them up on that. Let them bring something. Relax. Thanksgiving dinner will get done, and it'll get done even better and taste even better if you're not all stressed out. So take it from me, just breathe and relaxed. I hope you guys enjoyed all of these tips, and if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment boxes. I will try to get to you all. I have been answering questions this morning. Y'all have inboxed me a lot of messages over on my Instagram, my Facebook, and on YouTube here. So I've been trying to answer all of y'all's Thanksgiving questions. I did a Thanksgiving series, I think a couple years ago. You all really enjoyed it. If you all would like to learn how I meal plan, how I set up a time schedule so that it is less stress to make the Thanksgiving meal on Thanksgiving Day, I will link that down below. I also have decorating a tablescape for Thanksgiving very inexpensively, using Dollar Tree items and so on, using what you already have. So if you all want to see that series, I will link the playlist down below for all of you that would like to check that out. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you join me. I'm very close to 10,000 subscribers. I'd love to have that for Christmas. However, I'm not exactly holding my breath, but if you have not subscribed, please do so. I would really appreciate it. And thank you so much for following Kiddos Corral. I hope you all have a fantastic, stress-free, and delicious Thanksgiving dinner at your home or your friend's home.